How long's it been? Has it really been that long? I mean, this was back in April when we started doing this, like. Alright, lads and laughters, welcome along. Tuppence Tuesday, innit? Eh? I was just looking through, like, the first ever video that I did on Geordie Intelligence, yeah? I'm actually looking at how we could pull in some of the COVID stuff. Now, Christmas is ruined for a lot of people, you know, bar humbug and all that, eh? And, yeah, I'm kind of really, I'm heartened. You know, I take heart in where we've come from, you know. We've gone a long way with Geordie Intelligence. We've still got a long way to go. Right, there's still a long way for me to go with the whole Geordie partnership, how it's all going to work, what it's going to mean as we push on forward into the next year, right? But I'm happy. I think we've found a really nice balance. There's still a lot of work to do, and I'm going to keep doing it. But what I wanted to say to everyone who's been watching the videos, who's supporting the channel, is thank you very much for your time. Thanks for the ideas we're getting. Thank you for everyone for actually being involved. And the more involved people become, the more we can do. Because Power BI, really, it's about a community. There's, you know, the democratization of data, building that mindset, that methodology of how you're going to work through and build stuff. You kind of got to go through it. So get involved with Geordie Intelligence. Help us to help you, right? There's more to come. Expect announcements in the new year about what we're doing and how we're growing the business further. We've obviously got the Facebook group. You know, I hope you're following us on there. But for now, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you very much, everyone. I hope you're all taking care of yourselves and your families. Have a great Christmas, and we'll catch you, in the week between Christmas and New Year. Catch you next week, yeah? You guys take care. Ta-da.